am back again to show you another second-hand motorhome. Today with me is a Rollerteam Autoroller 600 and this is a 2009. Let's hop right in. So here is your front lounge area. This is a 6 berth, 6 belt, so 2 belts here, 2 belts here, and then your 2 in the front. Come on up and have a look at the cab area. So this is a manual on a Ford chassis. You'll see you have your radio system there, all your different controls that you might need. Coming back from that, up above is your first and second berth just here, and that just pops down whenever you're ready to use it. And it is nice, large, spacious area in there. It would probably be bigger than a double bed, just by eye there. And then you just pop it back up, ready to travel, off you go. This then makes up another double bed, so that would be your third and fourth berth. That table just drops down. If you'd like me to show you, please let me know. I have no problem putting it together for you. Moving down then to your kitchen, you have your 3 gas hob and your combined oven and grill just in here, as well as your lovely sink just there, and over to your separate freezer and fridge just in here. Down the back is your rear lounge, and that making up your final double bed, so that is your 5th and 6th berth. So for making up that bed, that table does just drop down just as the other. If you want to see that, please let me know. Again, I have no problem. Into your bathroom, separate shower and toilet just there. Nice open area, plenty of room as well. And that is everything, folks. If there's anything else you'd like to see, please let me know. I have no problem making up any beds, going through a bit more technical spec. You can contact me directly, marketing@thompsonleisure.com, or you can call me on 028 9269 3999. Drop a comment below and I will be more than happy to help you with anything else, this motorhome or another one. And I'll see you in the next video.